Welcome back to the Mountain View. This is not the Mountain View, this is my home, because like most of America and probably most of the world, we're trying to stay in as much as we can right now. That's kind of put a damper on the videos because we put a lot of work into trying to get our apartments done, trying to get our Mountain View B&B rooms done before the stores close. Now they've kept the hardware stores open, so it hadn't really been a problem. But we don't want to be out any more than we can, and we've tried to hurry in with what we are doing. So we'll show you some video and some pictures we've taken of the work in the interim since you last heard from us at the end of February, actually, which is kind of a surprise to me when I saw that date. But in the meantime, I'll just show you kind of what we're doing here. This is our green light. This is something that Governor Beshear has asked everybody to do to show respect for the Kentuckians who have died as a result of coronavirus, COVID-19. And we've unfortunately had to keep this light lit for the last several nights in a row. So keep everybody in your thoughts, and we'll keep you in ours. In the meantime, we're going to show you this video, and hopefully you will subscribe to our channel and find out more about the Mountain View in Whitesburg, Kentucky, which is a good thing. Now, this is kind of straight out of the 1940s or 1950s, I guess. This glass front cabinet. So this is part of the unique history of this house. Same with cabinets. The cabinets were look almost And I'll leave you with that tonight. That's it for apartment 1 at the Mountain View. We now have apartment 2 rented. Apartment 1 is for rent. We are about ready to move upstairs and start on the B&B rooms. Hope you'll join us on the Mountain View, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for coming.